Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. I'll be showing you how to achieve this bundle for your boho braid. I'll be using just one pack of Expression Super Braid. Okay, for this video I just brought out one of the braid extension. I fold into two just the way it was in the pack. I cut in half. When you cut it this way, you'll find out that the part that the rubber band will be cut to, as in the normal cut to when you loosen it up, while the other parts, the downside, will be cut for. But in order not to make mistake, I advise since the inside the pack will have two bundles, cut one into two while the second one into four. The one you cut into four, you use it to start your braiding. Then the remaining one that was cut into two will be coiled. That's the one we're going to be attaching. I already have a video on how to properly prep your extension. Please do wait to watch it, okay, so you don't end up wasting it. After prepping your extension, the next step is to dip it inside hot water. This will give it that silky look, and after braiding you don't need to do the hot water process again. So for the coiling part, we're using the cut tool. You make sure you detangle it very well. Then we'll be using our flexi rod to coil. Okay, I have also made a video on different ways you can coil your braid extension using flexi rod. So I'll be leaving the link to those videos in the description, okay? I'd love to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your massive support last year. You guys were really amazing. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the shares. Yes, I'm grateful, okay? 2023 was amazing, and I believe that this 2024 will be better. I pray that God will grant each and every one of you your heart desire this year. Okay? Thank you so much. And if you've watched up to this moment, you've not subscribed to our channel, please do wait to hit the subscribe button, okay? I need all the support I can get this year. I'd love to monetize this channel before the middle of this year, okay? So after coiling, put in a bowl, add any conditioner of your choice. Then you pour your hot water over to set the coils. The conditioner will help to reduce frizz. Allow it to sit in the water for a few minutes. Then bring it out and pat it dry. Spray your oil sheen. This oil sheen will make it easy to separate when you're using it. So after that, you leave it to dry completely before you start losing it. You can use this bundle directly on your hair for your boho braid, or you can even convert it into a crochet. I'll be showing you how you can use this bundle to achieve a perfect braid. And thank you once more for stopping by. See you on my next video. Ciao.